I need to talk to you about something. What's about? It's not gonna save you. You've been bad. I love you too. How was your day though?
What are you doing? Do you want some pets? Do you want these? Do you want these?
Hey Siri, set timer for
How long? 1, 2, 3. 2.
chirp chirp, bow bow bow.
Guess. Do I need to change your hat right?
Okay, I'll find out.
That's something on your beak?
Well,
Yes, a little something on your beak. Stop making me laugh.
I tried. One. Bye, bird.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I
like,
pet that dog? Can I pet that dog?
I'm not sad. Are you sad?
If this bird talks better than your ex, hit that like button. Know a phrase he should learn next? Drop it in the comments. And don't leave him talking to himself. Subscribe for more parrot drama and bird gossip.